A rate is similar to a ratio, but it compares two numbers with different units. So we have words per minute, kilometers per hour, sandwiches sold per day, price of lumber per foot, and dollars made an hour. So you always have different units, so what you have to make sure when you have a rate, you include your units. So for example 1, salmon cost $1.89 for 100 grams. How much will it cost to buy 250 grams of salmon? So we want to make our initial rate of dollars per grams. So we have $1.89 per 100 grams. Now, we want to buy 250 grams, so we put our grams on the bottom, and we're going to solve for x. So we're going to multiply both sides by 250 grams. So we have $1.89 times 250 grams divided by 100 grams equals x. Because we have a grams and a grams on the top and the bottom, they cancel out, and our only unit left is dollars. So we know our answer is going to be dollars, and if we type this out, 250 times $1.89 divided by 100, we get 4.7, and we want to round to the nearest cent, so 3. So it's going to cost $4.73 to buy 250 grams of salmon. Example 2. A local plumbing store sells 100 copper-plated straps for $4.97. So we're going to compare 100 straps per $4.97. You have estimated that you require 75 straps. How much will you pay? So our straps go on the top, so we have 75 straps on the top, and we have x on the bottom. Now we're going to solve for x. So we have 75 straps times $4.97 divided by 100 straps equals x. So our straps are going to cancel, and we're left with dollars. So our answer when we calculate it out, 75 times 4.97 divided by 100 to the nearest cent is $3.73. So it's going to cost $3.73 to buy 75 straps. Example 4. The amount of fuel consumed by a vehicle when it is driven 100 kilometers is referred to as the rate of fuel consumption. Write a rate statement that includes that a car uses 6.3 liters of gas for every 100 kilometers driven. So we use 6.3 liters for every 100 kilometers. So this is our rate. Example 4. If you earn $150 in 12 hours, how much will you earn if you work for 40 hours? So we go $150 for every 12 hours, and we want to find out how much we'll make for 40 hours. So we put our 40 on the same side as the hours, x, so we go 40 hours times $150 divided by 12 hours is equal to x. Our hours are going to cancel, and we're left with dollars, so 40 times 150 divided by 12 is $500. Example 5. You're driving on the highway at 110 kilometers an hour. If your destination is 165 kilometers away, how many hours will you have to drive? So we're going 110 kilometers per hour, so per 1 hour. We want to see how long it takes to go 165 kilometers. So we go 165 kilometers times 1 hour divided by 110 kilometers. Our kilometers cancel out. And when we multiply this out, 165 times 1 divided by 110, we get 1.5 hours equals X. So you'll drive for 1.5 hours before you get 165 kilometers.